The allure of the rising sun and the elegance of the setting moon. The myriad stars of the sky and the multitudinous birds that fly. The raindrops that fall from skies so high and the snowflakes that melt and say goodbye. Flowers that swing and sing in glee, and those that are kissed by a buzzing bee. The gentle and soothing breeze that touches our face, and the peacock that dances with poising grace. Clouds that slide from behind the mountains, and the river that drifts with beauty astounding. The glaze of the sparkling morning dewdrops, and the magnificent stretch of the tulips. True that nature is the owner of such charismatic treasures, but it's a pity that we humans do not pay attention to these any longer. We do not have time to spare, to stare. We struggle now to catch even a moment of fresh air. Wait, my child, what's the hassle? Cries Mother Nature. Can humans ever lend a sympathetic ear? Is what I wonder.